Today I am presenting the seminar on provisionalization in FPDs. Introduction. Temporization is the procedure used to create provisional restoration that are required for the short, medium and long term in preparation for more permanent restoration like crown, bridges and dental implants. As according to the definition, according to GPT-9, a fixed and removable dental prosthesis or maxillofacial prosthesis designed to enhance aesthetic stabilization or function for a limited period of time, after which it is be replaced by the definitive dental or maxillofacial prosthesis. Often, such prostheses are used to assist in determination of the therapeutic effectiveness of the specific treatment plan or the form and function of the planned definitive prosthesis. What is the role? Role is three-form: biologic, mechanical, and aesthetics. In biologic, tissue pulp protection, provide dental health, periodontal health, occlusal compatibility, mechanical resistance, functional load, and resistant removal process. Aesthetic, it is contourable, color stability, translucent, and texture. What is the goals of the temporary restoration? It should not be sensitive because sensitivity and provide physical protection to the pulp, maintain occlusal and positional stability within the arch, provide protection to the prepared tooth structure from fracture, have good aesthetic consideration, help in evaluation of phonetics. What is the requirement for the provisional restoration? It is should be aesthetics and color stability, marginal fit and dimensional stability, flexural strength and wear resistance, occlusal stability and cleanability. Classification method of fabrication, it is preformed and custom made. Material used, it is resin and metals. Technique for fabrication is of 3: direct, indirect or direct, and duration of use, short term and long term. Some recent advancement like CAD-CAM milling. It is a subtractive procedure, a block of material taken and cut away everything that is not necessary to achieve final products. Number 2, additive procedure. It is a 3D printing procedure. The material is added layer by layer to build the final products. Further, let us comparison between conventional CAD-CAM and 3D printing. Conventional, it is exothermic. It is exothermic. It is exothermic, polymerization shrinking, and residual lamellar. In CAD-CAM, the parallel lines and pins proves after medium reach to fractures, lower fracture resistance due to residual monomer release after aging. In 3D printing, higher fracture resistance due to chemical bond present in between additive layer. It also vertical building orientation. This is the how CAD-CAM is proceed.